So in this video we will discuss about the basics of operating system from the part knowledge of ICT. Let's begin. What is an operating system? An operating system is a system software that acts an interface between the computer and the user. Computer user with the computer hardware. So operating system is the chief manager or resource allocator of the computer system. Question number 2. What is the primary goal of an operating system? To provide an environment where a user can execute programs conveniently and efficiently by managing and coordinating hardware resources. So its main focus on convenience and efficiency. Question number 3. Name 3 popular operating systems, that is Microsoft Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Linux is a open source software. Okay. For mobile devices, the main ones are Android and iOS. Question number 4. What is the kernel? The kernel is the core or heart of the operating system. It is the program that runs at all times and has complete control over everything in the system. It is responsible for low-level tasks and is primarily linked to the hardware. Question number 5. What is the shell? The shell is the outermost layer of the operating system. It acts as the command interpreter, taking commands from the user and translating them for the kernel. The shell provides the user interface, either GUI or CLI. Question number 6. What is an interrupt? An interrupt is a signal from a hardware device or software to the CPU, indicating that an event has occurred and requiring immediate attention. The kernel handles all interrupts to maintain smooth system operation. Question number 7. What is a process in the context of operating system? A process is a program in execution. Every running application like your browser or media player is a process. A program is a passive entity. A process is an active entity. Question number 8. What is the role of the process management component? Process management component handles the creation, scheduling, termination and synchronization of the process. Its main task is CPU scheduling. CPU scheduling ensures fair and efficient use of the CPU. Question number 9. Explain the basic function of memory management. Memory management, the basic function is to keep track of which parts of the main memory or RAM are currently being used and to allocate and deallocate memory space to processes. Process must reside in RAM to be executed. Question number 10. What is a virtual memory? Virtual memory is a technique that allows the execution of the processes that may not be entirely in main memory. It uses a portion of the hard disk as an extension of RAM. It creates the illusion that the system has more physical memory than it actually does. Question number 11. What is the purpose of the file management component? It manages the storage and retrieval of the data on secondary storage, handling file creation, deletion, access control and mapping files onto the disk. It allows users to view data logically in terms of files and directions or folders. Question number 12. How does the operating system manage devices like a printer? It uses device drivers. These are software modules that allow the operating system to communicate with a specific hardware device, controlling its operation and providing data transfer. A driver acts as a translator between the operating system and the hardware. Question number 13. In which type of operating system is the time constraint the most critical factor? The real-time operating systems, that is RTOS, they are used in systems like robotics and medical equipment where responses must be delivered within strict time limits. RTOs are categorized as hard or strict deadline and soft or tolerable deadline. Question number 14. What is a system call? A system call is the primary way a running program or process requests a service from the operating system's kernel. Examples include requesting access to a file, open, or allocating memory, that is malloc. Question number 15. Give a major difference between multiprogramming and multitasking. Multiprogramming keeps multiple jobs ready in memory and runs them one after another. Multitasking or time sharing is an extension of multiprogramming where the CPU rapidly switches between jobs, giving the illusion of simultaneous execution. Multitasking is focused on providing a quick response time to the user. So this is for now. Thank you for listening.